In 1b we are doing the derivatives by first principle. We have seen up to secant 2x. Today we will see secant 3x. So f of x plus h is secant 3x plus 3h. So limit h tends to 0 by h. What I want, sir? Secant 3x plus 3h minus 3 secant 3x by h. Limit h tends to 0. So secant is nothing but 1 by cos. By h. Right? So LCM again. By cos of into h. Okay. Now cos c minus cos d. Formula answer minus 2 sin c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2. Okay. So minus 2 sin 3x plus 3h, sorry 3x plus 3h by 2 c cos, sorry sin 3x minus 3h by 2 by cos of 3x plus 3h into cos of 3x into h. Okay, so by 2 3x will get cancelled, minus 3h by 2 h. Right? Now I'm writing separately 1 by 1 sin 6x plus 3h by 2 into limit h tends to 0 3h into 1 by cos 3x, because there is no h, that's why I am not writing limit. Ikkada important. By h. Now h tends to 0, this is 0, 6x by 2 is 3x into 1 by cos 3x into 1 by cos 3x. Here h tends to 0, sin theta by theta 1, but here minus 3 by 2 is extra. Okay, so 2 will get cancelled, minus will get cancelled. 3 into sin by cos is tan, 1 by cos is secant, right? And therefore f of x is equal to secant 3x, f dash x is equal to tan 3x. Right? So we got this. So ikkada secant x, secant 2x, secant 3x. Okay, right, copy this. Next, last ratio, that is cosecant x. So f of x plus h is equal to f of x plus h is cosecant x plus h. By h, right? Therefore by h. So cosecant means 1 by sine. by h. Limit h tends to 0. Observe here what we are doing. LCM again. Sin x minus sin of x plus h by into h. Limit h tends to 0. Okay, ఇక్కడ formula again. Sin c minus sin d minus 2 cos c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2. Okay, so limit h tends to 0, 2 cos x plus h by 2 sin of x minus h by 2 by sin x into h, right? So sin c minus sin d formula apply చేసాం. into minus h by 2 x క్యాన్సిల్ అయిపోతుంది సార్. ఇక్కడ ఓన్లీ సింప్లికేషన్ పార్ట్ అందుకనే ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్ చూడండి సార్. into sin x into h, right? So 2 separate limits are h tends to 0 cos of 2x plus h by 2 into 1 by x plus h into 1 by sin x into minus h by 2 by h. Okay, so separate చేస్తుంది సార్. h is equal to 0, so 2 into cos x into 1 by sin x into 1 by sin x into sin theta by theta 1 sir, but ఇక్కడ minus 1 by 2. So 2 and 2 will get cancelled. No, I will get a minus sign. Cos by sin, cot x into 1 by sin is cosecant x. So cos x by sin x is cot x and 1 by sin x is cosecant x. So fx is equal to cosecant x, f dash x is equal to, so what is the formula? Fx is equal to cosecant x, f dash x is equal to minus cosecant x cot x. Okay, so here in terms of sign we are writing. Okay, please note on this. Next, fx is equal to cosecant 2x, f of x plus h is cosecant 2x plus 2h. Again, minus cosecant 2x by h, limit h tends to 0, 1 by minus 1 by 2x by h, h tends to 0. Again, two x plus 2h divided by 2h into h. Limit h tends to 0. Again, sin c minus sin d, 2 cos c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2. Formula same వస్తున్నాయి సార్, observe చేయండి. Okay, so this becomes 2 cos 2x plus 2h by 2 into sin by 2 by sin into h. H tends to 0. So by 2, then this becomes 2x will get cancelled, 2h by 2 is h, so minus h by into into h 0. So separate them. By 2, then limit h tends to 0 sin 2x plus 2h into 1 by sin 2x into limit h tends to 0 sin minus h by h. I will put the values. H is equal to 0. This will become 4x here. Sorry. Here 4x will come, sir. Okay. So 2 into cos 2x, because h is equal to 0, so 4x by 2 is 2. Here 1 by sin 2x into 1 by sin 2x into sin theta by theta 1, but minus sign is there, so minus 1 will come. So minus 2 into cot 2x cosecant 2x. Therefore f of x is equal to cosecant 2x, f dash x is equal to minus 2 cot 2x cosecant 2x. Right? So we have to know this formula. Okay, copy this. Next, cosecant 3x. Again, minus h goes, so 1 by h tends to 0. So it is because sin 3x by sin of 3x plus 3h sin 3x into h. Its limit h tends to 0. Again, which formula? C minus d by 2. Right? So this becomes 2 into cos 3x plus 3x plus 3h by 2 sin 3x minus 3x minus 3h by 2 by 3x into h. Okay, everything we are putting. Limit h tends to 0. So 2 into cos of 6x plus 3h by 2. Okay, formula application, sir. Okay, I am writing directly. 1 by, sorry, limit h tends to 0. 1 by sin 3x plus 3h into 1 by 3x, limit h tends to 0. 3x and 3x will get cancelled. Minus 3h by 2 by h. Now separate them. H is equal to 0. This becomes cos 3x into h is equal to 0. 1 by sin 3x into sin 3x into sin theta by theta 1, but there is a minus sign is there. Minus 3 by 2. Here minus 3 by 2. So minus 3 by 2. 2 will get cancelled. So minus cos by sin is cot into 1 by, so 1 by sin 3x is cosecant 3x. Therefore f of x is equal to cosecant 3x right. So we have seen all the derivatives of the first principle. So please note down this. I'll write the formulas now. Now I am writing all the formulas, sir, one by one. First, f of x is equal to x, f dash x is equal to 1. Second one, f of x is equal to 1 by f of minus 1 by x square, second formula, is equal to k 0, right? Next, root x 1 by 2 root x, right? So f of x is equal to x, f dash x is 1, f of x is equal to 1 by x, f dash x is equal to minus 1 by x square, k 0. F of x is equal to root x, f dash x is 1 by 2 root x, right? Now f of x is equal to x power n. This formula is very important, sir. F of x is equal to x power n, f dash x is equal to n into x power n minus 1. Next, f of x is equal to e power x, f dash x is equal to e power x. This formula is very important. Okay. Next, f of x is equal to a power x, f dash x is equal to a power x log a. Next, f of x is equal to log x, f dash x is equal to 1 by x. Now we have seen all algebraic function, x, 1 by x, constant, root x, x power n, e power x, a power x, log x. Now trigonometric formulas. F of x is equal to sin x, f dash x is equal to cos x, f of x is equal to cos x, f dash x is equal to minus sin x, f of x is equal to tan x, f dash x is equal to secant square x, f of x is equal to cot x, f dash x is equal to minus cosecant square x. Next, f of x is equal to secant x, f dash x is equal to secant x tan x. Next, f of x is equal to cosecant x, f dash x is equal to minus cosecant x cot x. Okay, we have seen all these formulas, sir. Now, note down this. Please take this, complete these formulas. You have to write in your notebook, sir. Write in notes. Okay, after our regular classes starts, I'll ask these formulas. So I wrote about 14. I'll write some more. Please note down this one. Next, 15 to 1. Sin inverse x. F dash x is 1 minus 1 by x square. Tan inverse x 1 by 1 plus x square. Next, secant inverse x square minus 1. So inverse functions 1, 2, 3. We will not write other 3, sir, because the same formulas will come with a negative sign. So we will not bother about that. Now, next one is 18. Product formula means what? U dash uv, u into v. So this is very important. U dash v plus v dash u. Here dash means derivative, sir. U dash v plus v dash u. U dash means derivative of the function u dash v plus v dash u. Next one, u by v derivative, that is quotient by v square. Remember this. What is the product formula? U dash v plus v dash u. U by v, we say quotient formula. This is a product formula, this is a quotient formula. Compulsorily we should know this. Means when there are two functions are there in the product, we have to use this formula. U dash v plus v dash u, and when it is in a division form, u by v, u dash v minus v dash u by v square. These formulas are very important. Okay, I will be talking about these formulas when we are discussing the problems. The basic formulas and నేర్చుకోవాలి సార్. Next these formulas. Okay, we will start the problems based on this.